back today with another hair video. So today's hair video is brought to you guys by Unice Hair Company. So this unit right here, guys, is a 5x5 closure unit, 32 inches long, and the texture of this one is curly. Now, as you guys can see, the density on this unit is a larger than usual density, the largest I've ever had from this company, and this is 250% density. So the hair is very full, guys. It is a very, very nice curly texture, just 5x5 closure, so there's not any like sideburns or any of that stuff. The actual form of this unit, the cap size itself, guys, is amazing. Very glueless type vibes. Now with this install today, I only used the Even Wonder lace, guys, so I kept it very, very simple. So this is a really quick unit, guys, especially for the hot summer days. I know we want to wear our curly units, we want to do our frontals and our baby hair and stuff like that, but it's not really that necessary, especially you could kill a middle part and kill some very, very beautiful curls and pretty hair, guys. So with this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to style the curls. I like to show you guys the Cantu products and how to do it. Because its density is 250% density, I want to show you guys how to kind of keep it nice and tamed and pretty. This is what the hair looks like, completely air dried, and it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So you guys will get all that tea in a few. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys. So let's jump into the install part. So that's basically the install portion of this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy that. It's a very, very easy install simply just because this is only a 5x5 closure. You don't really have to do all that. I did go ahead and cut like a little baby hair right here. It's not even glued down or anything like that. I just kind of like swiggled it up a little bit and did a little baby hair. I might actually could do one on this side as well too, just to make it look all, you know, even, but you really don't need the baby hair like that, guys. Originally I was just gonna wear it all pulled back into the middle part style, but you can go ahead and do whatever you want, guys. I did go ahead and attach little butterfly clips in the front, which I thought was super cute. So the hair is very full, guys. You guys can see it is all air dried out. You guys can see the length and everything. I will show you guys the length of this unit. Very long. The curls are very defined. And one thing with this unit, I thought I was going to receive a lot of shedding, but I did not get like shedding like that, which was actually pretty shocking, especially because this unit is curly and, you know, the tangling and all that kind of stuff, and it's 32 inches, so I was afraid that I was going to get a little bit of shedding, but I didn't really get that shedding, guys, not at all. So that's a plus to start off. The hair, I did co-wash it, guys, so let me tell you guys, I did not get hair like that. I co-washed it, and then I did go ahead and spray it with water for you guys, and I didn't get any hair like that. With this one, it doesn't tangle as much, but I don't sleep with these types of units, especially the curly ones. I will not sleep overnight with the curly units just because I know that'll kind of get a little bit tangly in the back. And sometimes when you got to rush the next day, you don't have time to literally be unbrushing stuff. So I set this one on a mannequin head, and in the morning I just plop it on. It's already ready to go. Everything's just going to fall in place. The cap construction, everything about it lays flat. So it's the type of unit that literally is a glueless unit, guys. You literally could take this off, pop it on the next day, and you got a wig ready to go. So you guys can see the curls are juicy. They're defined, just water and a little bit of Cantu leave-in curling cream. You can either use the curling cream or the leave-in conditioner. I either go between either or, but the curling cream is definitely going to give you more of a nice lush defined curl. So it's not dry looking, it's defined, very minimal frizzing. You guys know curly hair will do a little bit of a frizz factor, but the frizz factor on this one is not too bad, guys, and it just looks fabulous. So I'll leave all the information down below. This is probably going to be my next trip next month's style, just because it's probably easier. Probably go between 2 wigs, but this one will definitely be on my next trip with me next month. So yeah, I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're looking for a bomb closure wig, curly, nice, beautiful, full. This is it. So I'll leave all the information down below per usual, guys. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye-bye.